Rafi.
Hi, Jamie.
So since we have to stay indoors and at home, we're going to introduce to you a fun game which is called RABBIDS Coding, and this game won't get you in trouble with your parents because it's all about coding.
And also it's free.
So I'm gonna put a link into the description about how to download this game. And so there's 32 levels of it, and it teaches you simple coding. Also, it's recommended for elementary students.
So let's get started with level 1.
Okay, so level 1, as you can see, it's pretty simple. There is an objective, and the objective is basically how much blocks you can use to program your rabbid, which is this guy. And the goal for this mission is for your rabbid to get into the laundry machine.
Right, and now for level 2.
Level 2 is
The same thing.
But there's a new block which is turn right, and it has turn left in it too. And you need to get the rabbit into the laundry machine. Same old, same old.
Yes, and now for level 3. Level 3, there's a new thing. There's a robot, and there's 2 new blocks, which is catch and release. You want the robot to catch the rabbit and release it into the washing machine.
Yep, and that's the goal for this mission. So level 4, it's also the same thing, but there's 2 laundry machines and 2 rabbits. So you need to send each rabbit into each laundry machine.
And now for level 5. Level 5, there's new things, which is this is a rabbit object, and you want to vacuum it, which is a new block.
Yep. So the goal for this mission is to vacuum all the rabbit objects.
And now for level 6.
Level 6 is almost the same thing as level 5, but it has 4 objects, and the goal is to get all 4 objects, vacuum it into the robot.
And now for level 7. Level 7 might look hard, but it's actually easy. You want the
rabbit to
hit the button, which will deactivate the lasers and go into the washing machine.
Yeah, well, either one. There's one right here too, so you can like turn right to get to this one or turn left to get to this one.
It doesn't matter. And level 8.
Level 8 actually looks kind of complicated, but as you can see, the arrow is pointing to this rabbit, which means it's you, and you need to bring your rabbit over here to hit the button, and which will deactivate this force field, and it will show the sausage so that this rabbit will get lured to this one, and then it will get lured to this one. But when it's in front of the laundry machine, it gets sucked in.
And now for level 9. Level 9 is same old, same old. You just want the rabbits to go into the laundry machine.
Yep. But this one also has a new block. It's called drop a sausage, and drop a sausage is for to lure the rabbits. So you drop a sausage to lure the rabbits into the laundry machine.
And now for level 10.
Level 10 actually looks kind of complicated, but it's like the same thing. To like hit the button, deactivate the lasers, and then keep on doing that until you get to the laundry machine.
Right.
Also, there's a little thing to be aware of, which is a trap. And the trap is if you turn one block too late, then if you run into the trap, you're
gonna respawn.
Yep.
And now for level 11. Level 11 is the same thing. You need to get the rabbit into the laundry machine, except there's another trap over here.
Yeah, and also there's a new block, which is repeat 2 times. And repeat 2 times can go until repeat 15 times.
Yep, and level 12 looks a little bit confusing, right?
Yep, but all you need to do is use the repeat to zigzag into the laundry machine.
Yep, level 13 is to get all of these 4 rabbits into the 4 washing machines.
By luring them with
a sausage. And level 14.
Level 14 has 2 paths to the laundry machine, either through the zigzaggy path or through the long straight path.
And I guess one rabbit decided to draw a picture.
Yeah.
So now for level 15.
Level 15 is just for your rabbit, deactivate all the lasers, and go in the laundry machine. Pretty simple, not that hard.
And level 16.
You need to really think outside the box for this one. As you can see, you're like, oh, why can't we just go here, here, and here? Because your objective is only 6, and you need to find another way to get to the laundry machine.
Yep.
And once you get to the button, I'm sorry, it's not a laundry machine, it's a button, and you need to like hit it, then it'll deactivate this really big...
The sausage over there.
Yeah, this really big force field. There's a sausage here. Also, there's a washing machine like right here, but you can't see it. And the big rabbit will run to the sausage and will get sucked into the laundry machine. So your goal is for the big rabbit to get in the laundry machine. That's it.
Yep. And level 17 is it might look a little bit hard, but it's actually not. You just need to hit all these buttons, and the rabbits will go into the washing machine with the sausages.
Yeah, so it'll get lured into the washing machine by the sausages. Just hit all 4 of them. And now level 18, as you can see, there's another block which is if, and if
can move.
Yeah, can move forward. So here is if. So I don't think you need to use if for this level 18, but your goal is to get into the laundry machine. That's simple.
Right. You might use the repeats though. And level 19, it's an S shape, and you want it to vacuum again.
But this one's a little tricky because you need to use if and repeat together. That's what I recommend for you.
No, sometimes you don't have to use if though.
Why you bullying me?
Okay, and now for level 20.
So level 20, you need for your rabbit to go into the laundry machine. That's it.
And now for level 21.
Level 21, as you can see, there's another block which is above an orange tile. And above an orange tile this one's an orange tile. So if is above an orange tile, then turn right or turn left.
For example, if the rabbit's right here, then it's above.
And then it's above an orange tile. So turn right or turn left into the laundry machine. That's it.
And level 22 is an S shape again, and your robot needs to vacuum all of them
so
again.
this is what also really useful is if it's above an orange tile. But there's another tile color which is this is a purple tile, and it's under this condition.
So if you click over here when it's inside,
it has 2 options: above an orange tile or above a purple tile.
Level 23 is kind of shape, and it has 3 objects, and you want to vacuum all of them.
Yeah. So if it's above an orange tile, you can program it that do right there. You can program it to move forward, turn right, or vacuum. Yeah. So you can put it down there.
Yep. Level 24 is that you want the rabbit to hit the buttons, deactivate the lasers, and go to
the laundry machine. Pretty simple. But as we go, it's going to get harder and harder and more challenging. So level 25 is actually simple. You need to use that repeat while, which has a repeat until under it. So you're going to use that one to get to the laundry machine.
Yep. Or you can use other things. So for level 26, it's question mark. So you have to find your way to get to the laundry machine.
Yeah. So in this level, I recommend to use the colored tiles to your advantage.
And level 27 is
almost the same thing. And there's another one, which is if goal is reached, or if above any object. And under above any object, there is above rabbit's object or above a bomb. And what you want to do is to collect all these rabbit's objects
vacuum
and
them.
avoid the bombs. If you suck up a bomb, you instantly die, so don't do that.
Or you could say vacuum. So level 28 is a really long snake, and you have to catch the rabbit and release it in the washing machine.
Yep. And I have another tip for level 28 is there's another box. You might not see duck. Go duck. Okay. And then there's another block that says facing a rabbit. And facing a rabbit is that if it's facing a rabbit, then what will you do? Catch. Or you can move forward. I guess you can't, but yeah.
So now level 29. Level 29 is
it's actually really simple.
Yeah.
It's just like another level. I forgot what it was, but yeah, all you've got to do is suck up all the objects except for the bomb.
And avoid them.
And now level 30 through 32, which is the last 3 levels, is
incredibly challenging.
So for level 30, you have to think outside the box, and you need to deactivate the force field and collect all these rabbit's objects.
Yeah, and you hit the button to deactivate.
Yeah, you need to drop a sausage on the buttons.
And level 31?
Level 31 is it's pretty simple, and I would say to use the colored tiles again, because those are pretty handy, and you need to use the if too.
Okay, and for level 32?
Level 32, if you know how to do level 30, then level 32 is actually really simple too. So you just use the same technique that you used for level 30, because it's still dropping onto the buttons and collecting all the objects. So yeah, it's a really fun game. It's called RABBIDS Coding again. We have the link in the description. So I hope you'll enjoy this game, and I also hope that your parents don't make you go in trouble. So yeah, thank you for watching, and remember to wash your hands.
In these hard times.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video. now for comment.freelyblog.com. This website is where you can give us statements, encouragements, questions, or concerns.
Every comment truly means a lot to us.
So all you need to do is click Write New Entry, and you will just need to submit your comment, and that's
The link is in the description below. And there's one more thing we need to tell you. To subscribe,